Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to find a video's bitrate in Windows. The bitrate of a video determines how much detail the video can display. A high resolution video with a low bitrate will not look good. The good news is it's easy to find the bitrate of any video on Windows. If you want to find out the bitrate of a video, there's a simple way with built-in Windows tools, which are easier to understand than using VLC. In Windows, right-click the file you want to investigate and choose Properties. On the new window that appears, click the Details tab. Under the video selection, look for Total Bitrate. The total bitrate will give you a general idea of the quality of your video. It can be useful if you want to compare two videos that have the same resolution, or you simply want to know how much compressing a file can make a difference. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.